Woohoo! Dance,
Parker, dance!
Faceless Woody! Come on, Parker, dance! You gotta shake your bottom. And come on down. Shake it! That's a girl. Woohoo! Yay! You're okay. You're okay. Princesses, dance it off. Dance it off. Magic. Jason, you gonna go dance with her? Ask Jason to dance.
Not gonna happen.
She just a dance. Not gonna happen. It's a healthy relationship right there.
And that's the end of it.
That's the end of that. Leo's looking at her salivating.
She grooves like this at home all the time.
Good job. So good that your hair is in a ponytail. Flowers. I would swoon over that one.